Hello everyone, and welcome back for another microgreens episode. Today I'm going to show you how to harvest your wheatgrass. So let's go ahead and get started. First, you'll need a pair of scissors. Scissors are pretty good for wheatgrass considering it's a grass. If we were harvesting any of the other microgreens, then we would be using a knife. Second, we use a tape measure so we know that our wheatgrass is actually ready to harvest. What you see here is actually about 7 to 8 inches. Some of it's a little bit longer. Typically wheatgrass is harvestable around 10 to 11 inches. This variety actually says on the back to harvest it at about 7 to 8 inches. So we are right here at prime time to harvest. Over here I have a bowl that I'm going to be placing all my wheatgrass into so I can weigh out how much I got from this one 10 by 20 tray. When you go to harvest, there we go, move that out of the way for a moment. When you go to harvest, go ahead and cut just a few inches above the soil, and that will allow your wheatgrass to still grow back, because wheatgrass is actually harvestable up to 3 times. And as you can see, as we're cutting, we're not getting any soil because we're just cutting a few inches above the soil, allowing it to grow back. And the bigger scissors you have, the better. You could even use something like crab shears. And it just smells absolutely delicious as you're cutting it. It's got this very sweet, fragrant aroma. All right. And that's what your palette will look like at the end. This is fine. This is ready to regrow. And as always, I did not water this before I harvested it. So now I can actually put water into it and put it back onto the rack. Here is the harvest from the tray. As you can see, that's a really good amount right there. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you how much that weighs out to, if you're curious. Here we have 9.45 ounces, so that's just a little over half a pound. And there you have it. That's how you harvest your wheatgrass. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.